Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. In response and continuation to the previous two videos of mine related to graphic designing, I dug a little deep into the concept and worked out no less than 17 different categories of logo designing. So based on my research, here is Freelancing with Fahad with 17 killer logo designing keyword ideas no one is talking about. Number 1, the trendy logo. This type of logo designing belongs to contemporary trends that are currently going on in the industry. Only 773 people are selling in the field of trendy logo. Number 2, the urban logo. This type of logo is quite similar to the trending logo. You can see most of these logos are made in white color with the black background. They are quite simple and quite eye-catching. Only 476 people are selling urban logo. Number 3, trendy t-shirt. Although this is not directly related to the field of logo designing, but most of the t-shirts being designed at Fiverr are showing logo being pasted on their designs. So it's a good keyword to give it a try. Only 1346 people are selling this service and there is a good margin in that. Number 4, the clothing logo. This is also quite similar to the t-shirt logo. You can also consider making 1 gig out of clothing logo and the t-shirt logo. Only 1400 people are selling this service. The 5th category is related to sportsmen and athletes. All those who are interested in making their bodies and lifestyle better. So the first one in that category is fitness logo. You can see only 1200 people are selling the fitness logo. Similarly, the gym logo also comes up with similar results. Only 708 people are selling the services of gym logo. And same is the case with sports logo. It is quite different than gym and fitness logo, but it is good to give it a try. Only 2000 people are selling the services of sports logo. I would recommend you guys to make 1 gig including all these 3 keywords: the fitness logo, the gym logo, sports logo, and if you will include the keyword of sweatwear in your title, that would also give you a competitive advantage. The 6th category is monogram logo. These type of logos are required by only the top-notch brands that are doing well in the business. You can check the extent to which this type of logo has demand in the market. People has done more than 1000 orders on their gigs and only 1700 people are selling this service. I won't term it to be low competition. This is moderate competition, but if you feel that you possess the knack to develop some good monogram logos, it is good to give it a try. The 7th category is purely related to the females. Number 1 in that is cosmetics logo. All the cosmetic brand will be needing the cosmetic logos. Only 984 people are selling the services of cosmetic logo. The next in the category is feminine logo. As explained earlier, this logo purely belongs to the feminists. Almost 2400 people are selling this service. And if you have done the cosmetic logo, a makeup logo is also a very good keyword. Only 322 results show up when we type the makeup logo. Also, I find out the spa logo is a very good keyword to give it a try. There are several beauty salons that are also providing the massaging services. Next in the category is beauty logo. Similar services, similar results are also appearing for the beauty logo. Almost 1600 people are selling this service. And finally, the eyelash logo. It sounds a little weird, but this is the way people are searching this term on Fiverr, eyelash logo. If you will make 1 gig out of cosmetic logo, feminine logo, makeup logo, spa logo, beauty logo and eyelash logo, trust me, you are going to get a massive traffic. Now let's move to the next category. Number 8, the handwriting logo. When I find out this keyword, I was literally amazed to see that there are only a few people selling this service and the demand is quite good. You can understand it as it is an alternative keyword for the signature logo, the handwriting logo. It is good to give it a try. Number 9, the photography logo. One must accept this fact that photography is a big vast field that is ever evolving. They continuously need the type of logos the people are selling over here. It is good to give it a try. Only 835 people are selling the services of photography logo. The 10th category is initial letter logo. In this type of logo, the people will be interested in the initials of their names. For example, the Aman Minion. He has only used the A and M to make a big logo out of it. Or people will be using only 1 character as well. So there is good demand in the market and you can give it a try. The 11th category is the gaming industry. Trust me, if you will try the Twitch logo, Twitch overlays and the gaming logo, esports logo, they are extremely low in competition and extremely high in demand. Although you will get the results of 2000 to 3000 results for a specific keyword in the field of gaming, graphic designing, but trust me, the demand is comparatively high as compared to the other fields of logo designing. So that is why I would term it to be a low competition. Number 12, the typography logo, or you can also try selling the typography t-shirts as well. That could also be a killer keyword. Only 992 people are selling this service, and let me suggest you another killer keyword in this field of the typography logo, which will be font logo. Okay, here is the font logo, the handwritten logo. I would suggest you making 1 gig using the typography or font logo or the initial letter logo or the signature logo or the handwriting logo. All these things are one and the same things. This way you will be getting tons of traffic through different tags. Number 13, the Shopify logo, quite hidden thing. If you will try this, you can get good business through all the dropshippers. Only 480 people are selling the services of Shopify logo. Also, if you will try the e-commerce logo in that and make 1 gig using the keyword of Shopify and e-commerce, you will get even more traffic. 14th in the category is pet logo. This is an extremely big industry, specifically in Canada and America. You should give it a try. It is very good in demand and extremely easy to make. Only 681 people are selling this service. And same is the case with animal logo as well. Those who will be needing animal logo are the same who will be needing the pet logo. So it is better to make 1 gig using the pet and the animal, both the keywords. Number 15 is the app logo. This is also an extremely big market with very good demand. There are zillions of apps being made every day, and they will be needing some good icons and some good logos for their apps. So if you will try the app icon along with the app logo, you will also get good traffic. I would suggest you making 1 gig using the app icon and the app logo, both the keywords. The 16th category on the list is related to restaurants and food industry. The number 1 is food logo. Almost 1400 people are selling this service. And if you will try the restaurant logo, you will also get similar results. There are 1300 people selling the services of restaurant logo. Bakery logo also works the same. Only 652 people are selling the services at this particular juncture. Now, if you are into food industry, you should also give it a try making some food menus, although it is not related to the logo designing, but I thought to give you another bonus suggestion. And a final keyword in the 16th category is cafe logo. As the name suggests, these logos will be used for the cafes. And if we are talking about the cafes, there is a specific type of logo which is purely related to all the cafes, all the bars and the nightclubs and the casinos as well. And that will be our 17th category. Let me introduce you the neon logo. It is a very good category with very good demand in the market. You should definitely try neon logo. So that was the video, guys. If you got any complaint or comment or suggestion to make some more videos on the stuff like that, please do let me know in comments, and please subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad. I'll meet you next time. Till then, do take good care of yourself. Thank you very much. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.